Hey everybody, Sean Hatzel, Get Lean in 12. So inside this short video, I'm going to talk about a hormone called leptin. So I'm going to reveal exactly what leptin is, and I'm going to uncover 2 all-natural tricks you can use to improve leptin sensitivity. So first of all, let's talk about what leptin is. It's a fat loss hormone that was actually discovered way back in the 1950s. Now there was really never any research done back then, and then it resurfaced again in the 90s, and since that time the awareness of leptin has really raised, and there's been a lot of research showing that just like insulin, we can actually get what's called leptin resistance. And what happens is leptin is a fat loss hormone that basically controls our body mass, whether or not we're going to burn fat or whether or not we're going to store fat. It controls our metabolic rate, whether or not it's going to stay elevated or whether or not it's going to slow down, and it also controls our appetite. So it's a very important hormone. Now, keep in mind, this is the very first hormone that proved fat cells are metabolically active and they can actually send and receive hormonal signals. It was never thought this way before. We just kind of thought that fat cells sat there and weren't really metabolically active. Now we're discovering that they are very metabolically active, and if we can manipulate and control leptin levels, we can really get control of our fat loss. So let's talk about 2 tricks that you can use, all natural tricks that you can use to improve leptin sensitivity. So if you go on a low-calorie diet and you exercise aggressively, it only takes about 6 or 7 days before leptin levels can drop as much as 50%. So if you've ever went on a weight loss plan or exercised or done both, and you quickly hit a weight loss plateau, leptin sensitivity is probably one of the reasons why. And trick number 1 that you can use to prevent this from happening is to strategically use a cheat meal, or what we call a carb load. So, as long as you eat healthy 5 or 6 days of the week and you exercise, what will happen is that once a week, if you indulge and you give yourself this reward, not only psychologically will this keep you focused the other 5 or 6 days of the week, it resets leptin levels and makes them happy again and gets them to healthy levels, so that the other 5 or 6 days of the week, you're not getting metabolic slowdown, you're preventing weight loss plateaus, and your body is programmed to be a fat burner because you've reset these leptin levels every week. So that's trick number 1. Now trick number 2 is actually a 30-second fasted exercise trick. So there's a recent study that came out where they took 2 groups, and they fed one group 75 grams of glucose-based carbohydrates, and another group they just gave water to. And then a couple hours later, they put them through a 30-second exercise trick that actually showed that the fasted group completely had reset their leptin signaling, while the group that consumed glucose before this exercise trick didn't receive any leptin signaling at all. Now, what I want to do is I want to reveal this 30-second exercise trick along with a complete article and strategy based on this philosophy and give it to you for free. But I don't want to do it here on YouTube, so what I did is I set up a private page where I could post an article and an actual workout chart that shows you how to use this 30-second fasted trick. All you have to do to get your hands on this free workout in this article, along with a free report, is click on the link below this video and I'll instantly hook you up. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.